Boko Haram don't attack Maiduguri, na the capital of Borno State for now. No. And according to matter wey reach me, they say 10 people die, 47 people injure. And these people where they talk about, these Boko Haram people, I no go even believe am. They come with 10 rockets. How they get them? If you ask me now, who I go ask? And now, as I talk to the state governor now, don't go visit different hospitals where they say now there they carry all these people wey die, the people wey injure, the people wey, in fact, many wahala. My people, as I talk to now. In fact, Borno State, they upside down. Because they say these Boko Haram people, no be play, they go play there. If you see how they scatter everywhere, they bomb the whole place, they say some children even they there, they play when the rocket start the fire. In fact, many things. Everybody now know. In fact, many people lose property, many people lose life, many people. Borno State. Boko Haram. They are peaceful people. They are frustrated because of their cows. Herdsmen are every day una get matter. So this one now, I dey wait for the next person, next governor or next waiter go even call now. Next person will go come outside now, come give us reason why Boko Haram go bomb that place. Since una always dey get reason for this life, anything will happen, una get excuse, una get reason, una get something to say. I dey wait. Who is the next person that will come and tell us? Because where Gumi, Mr. Gumi, wetin they call am Sheikh Gumi. Now he come out the last time. When they give us nonsense, nonsense speech. Say herdsmen they kill by accident. I dey wait. Because you know they had una any small thing una don't come out. Rockets. 10 rockets. Wait. Oh, we still they settle one matter, another one still they come with the settle one. Who they give Boko Haram all these weapons? How they get the money? Who they even sell the weapons to them? Who, like many questions just dey my mind. And I need answers. I need serious answers. Because already we don't suspect some politicians, they support them. They sponsor them. But who be the people? If not, see, my people will go just end up say some places for Nigeria no longer exist. Because they go finish them. And they go do already late by them. Make una continue today. See, all the country money wey una dey spend, they squander anyhow, they sponsor nonsense things. Make una continue. Continue to dey waste our money on top nonsense. Meanwhile, children they when they need go school, una no go use that money at least do scholarship or something. Now they sponsor Boko Haram. People they look for good life to live and many things. Meanwhile, these ones, all the thing where did their mind are just to they carry money, put their bank account, put for their pocket. Meanwhile, people they lose life and properties every day in Nigeria, every day. When Nigeria want change? Because this Boko Haram matter, I don't know if you even they notice and have been adjust me. It increase every day. Meanwhile, every day, person go come outside, they tell us say they don't defeat Boko Haram, they don't do this one. I bet where the Boko Haram where they defeat? This one will happen now waiting na police people. No, Boko Haram now. So who they defeat? Hey. And this one now where they can't tell us 10 people died, 47 injured. Amara fuena lie. Are they very sure? See, are they very sure? Say these people wey die, they pass 10. They pass 10 because now like this they always do. No, wetin happen for Lekki toll gate before they start? People did not die. After that one, investigation. Okay, only so number. Investigation, the number can increase. Wetin go happen to the farmers wey die? The first time they tell us one number, second time they break. Now so they do. This one now they just make am 10 so that people no go feel say this one too much. They no want make the matter come expand. Check well inside this matter. Make una check. Make no be like say I just dey talk. Check am. Tomorrow now, you know hard. Not be Nigeria with it. Tomorrow, when I go come here for news, say the people that died were not 10, they were 25. Now like that. All this one, now because say one person they in power. One person just sit down for that seat. Now, why all these things they happen? Because see, I know someone go tell me say, Madam Aproko, Boko Haram don't they since. But it no worse the way it was now. It no worse. Because at least that time, for una to see say now people they sponsor them. That time, they know too they come out like this. This one you they see them back to back. They visit us. You understand? You know when you, in fact, our door even door radio they open because we know say they feel come anytime and we know feel locked up because they will break and so these ones they are unwelcome visitors. They enter anytime. They go out anytime. Make una think am well. Think am very well. The time wey Nnamdi Kanu come outside they talk, all of us they see am like saying a crazy person. Say this one all done mad. You don't know wetin they talk. You don't know this one. No, see am. All the things where this man talk now, it don't they come. It don't they happen for our koro eye. So wetin una get to talk now concerning this one? Because me, I don't bring the one where I feel bring you. So any other one where you know whether you dey against or you dey for or you think say no be Boko Haram since they say they don't defeat them. I beg, explain to me for that comment section who be these ones will come because na Boko Haram we see. You understand? Very, very important. So I beg, share this video so that everybody go know what they happen now for Borno State. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe or click on that notification bell, then they say you go to miss everything you will drop and no blame me later. You understand? Because now for you now they get the news as in the hot. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, make I first start with my own strategy. You understand? I don't sit down. This headsman matter because it don't dey too much. You understand? So I can't think of wetin dey bring the problem, how we fit solve am, where they come from. I don't dey think of many things. So I can't think about this matter, and I made my own research. You understand? I check everywhere because we need know how to tackle this headsman matter. Abi una never tire. Ngwanu. Now so I can't reach final conclusion. Una go dey very shocked because this thing where I bring for una all of una wey stand up, you better sit down now. You understand? My people, I can't jam one story now from Ghana, all the way from Ghana. Now so person come tell me say, Madam Aproko, if una see how they treat headsmen for Ghana, I can't say sure. That's why I invest inside this market. My people, una need see how they deal with all these headsmen for Ghana. Not be the one way they do for Nigeria. Nigeria even they feed headsmen. This one they no get their time and they know they even take nonsense from them. So right now, as they talk to una, all the headsmen where they Ghana, they do on serious fire. So for una when no know what they happen, before I go come give una my own update. You understand? Join me, make we watch how Ghana they treat headsmen.
Are the Fulanis better than us? No, sir. Can they shoot better than us? No, sir. Can they do the military and police job more than us? No, sir. They say they are guerrilla tactics, they are guerrilla fighters, and they are going to ambush you and shoot you. Please, I beg you in the name of God, nobody should die in the bush as a police or soldier or whatever. We are going back with our number and come back with our number. And to be safe, if you see anybody holding arms want to attempt you, please don't waste time.
Hey. Omo, una no dey see say Nigerians they use our head. Because I sit down, I ponder on top this matter. I say lie, I must reach to my final destination. That means Nigerians they use our head. All those politicians, they no watch this one no be say I can explain plenty English. Na visualization. Na bring us so that I go visualize am. No visualize. My people, something is fishy. Una they see how Ghana they deal with headsmen. Meanwhile, Nigeria even they feed them. Nigerians they pet them. They see for Nigerians to even come outside talk say headsmen supposed to carry AK-47. No, make una balance this equation. Video one I beg, okay, for now we not even they aware of the AK-47 matter. I beg, put this video, make these people see what they talk about.
And now because a Fulani man is practicing the tradition of transhumance, pastoralism, he has been exposed to the vagaries of the forest, the animals, and now the cattle rustlers who carry guns kill him and take away his commonwealth, that is the cows. He had no option but to carry AK-47 because the society and the government are not protecting him. What is his fault? It's the fault of the government and the people.
So now, based on what you just watch, compare these two videos, Ghana, Nigeria. Wetin be your conclusion? So now una go agree with me, say these people they use our head. Heads may not be the problem when Nigeria gets. Mbanu. The problem concerning headsmen for Nigeria, they come from the politicians. Because before, they think say they no fit do anything about these headsmen. No be say they no fit do anything. They fit do, but they no want do. It is very obvious. See, it is clear as water. No mix am. Because how you want explain, say headsmen supposed carry AK-47. How you want explain am? So una to see. Ghana. Oh, I will say we fit just switch. Just even if it's just for 1 hour. Una know the massive revival will go happen for Nigeria concerning headsmen. Make Ghana just, you see all these people wey deal with headsmen. Make Ghana just borrow us. Hey, I know they ask them for 24 hours. So just 1 hour. Hey, uncle, hey, we go give glory to God. We go dance. See how they kill all their cows. But for Nigeria, they don't take cows as God. Cows now, they be second God for Nigeria. If you even touch them, you go get serious problem. Not to talk say you dey kill cow. Hey, let me say that you don't buy Nigeria problem put for your head. What a shame. What a shame. Una even see how Ghanaian headsmen they beg, say I beg, oh, just give us 2 days, oh, just give us 3 days, oh, say we go do something about that, we go come out, we go do. They beg. Hey, Naija. In fact, headsmen now, they don't even pass politician posts. Now headsmen now they dictate next movement for Buhari government. Chineke Jehovah. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. See, you not go blame all these headsmen. We not blame una. You understand? Because the head of headsmen, they are the top now. Now why una just they feel say una feel misbehave, una feel do anyhow. And some people now go come outside, come open mouth, they tell me say, Buhari no take blood covenant with headsmen. He took blood covenant because I know they see waiting, they tight all of them like this together. Where they no even feel, Buhari no feel take one decision where no ask them first. Now go come they talk plenty nonsense. See, Buhari now, you don't give Nigeria to headsmen. Nigeria now, they for their hands like this. And you don't give them too much credit. The credit don't too much. They just they misbehave. Because governor of Ondo State don't talk am. He don't give us go ahead. So I no one here hui. Anywhere you see cow, kill them. Una see how Ghanaians they kill their own. No waste time. They don't give us go ahead. So because we know they tolerate again. We have tolerated enough. This is just Ghana. I'm not to say now but when you go say their lifestyle is different from our own. Because this is Africa, neighboring country. Where you go just put one leg, you don't enter Ghana. Neighboring. If you even throw stone, you go reach Ghana. I know they talk of London. See how they behave. Na Nigeria want carry cow men, headsmen, Fulani men, all the men for their head. Now God go judge all of una. All of una wey una know wetin una dey do for secrets. Now God go judge una. Me, I no go talk past this one where I just talk. My people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Abeg, my fellow Ghanaians, I know say una dey watch me. Biko borrow us. You understand? I know they ask for 24 hours, so 1 hour, pere, just borrow us. You understand? Then we go return on our men back. We need this operation killing cows. We need them for Nigeria. Be my people, waiting I think. Street dog that comment for that comment section so that we go battle this battle together. We go conclude that together. You understand? And share this video. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go they miss everything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.